Many students know what band score they need to get, but not many people know how that band score is actually calculated. So when you finish the IELTS test, you will get a band score for each of the 4 skills, and you will also get an overall band score. So have a look at the example on the left here. This person got an overall score of 7, and they got 7 for listening, 7 for writing, 6.5 for reading, and 6.5 for speaking. So to calculate your overall band score, you need to take the average of all of your 4 scores, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and then this number is either rounded up or rounded down to the nearest 0.0 or 0.5. Let's have a look at some examples. So John, he got 7777, so that's pretty simple. His overall is 7.0. Bob, he got 3 sevens, but he got 6.5 in speaking. Even though he got 6.5 in speaking, his overall band score is still 7.0. Now, Maria, she got 2 sevens and 2 6.5s, but her overall band score is still 7.0 because her average is 6.75, and this number is rounded up to the nearest 0.0. Paul, he got 1 7 and then he got 3 6.5s. So his average is 6.625. So this number would be rounded down to the nearest 0.5. So his overall would be a 6.5. And finally, Michelle, she got 6.5 and then 3 6s. So her overall band score would be a 6.0. So now you know how the test is scored. What band score do you need? And what is your plan to get there? Comment down below.